I'll read a book to you. Let's open. Look, it's a cow, Mummy Cow. And this is her baby, a calf. Moo, says the cow. It's a sheep, and it's her baby, a lamb. Mommy Sheep says, "Bleh." It's a duck, Mummy Duck, and these are her babies, little ducklings. Quack, 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 says the duck. It's a hen, and these are her babies, her little chicks. Chick, chick, chick. It's a rabbit, Mummy Rabbit, and these are her babies, baby rabbits. Squeak, squeak, squeaks Mummy Rabbit. It's a cat, Mummy Cat, and these are her babies, kittens. Meow, says the cat. It's a dog, Mummy Dog, and these are her babies, puppies. Ruff, ruff, barks the dog. Look, a sheep, a hen, a dog, a cat, a rabbit, a duck, and a cow. The end.